Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. March 2025 guest paper English State Board English. Let's begin. Question number 1 और 2 देखेंगे. Section 1 prose reading for comprehension language study. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. 12 marks के लिए है. It was more than an hour and I was still there searching for a suitable tree to climb and get secured. Turn back to the trail you left. My mind was telling me, but there were no signs of the trail. I had no other way to climb the hillock. Before me, there were more hillocks and some more around the one I was standing. Near my feet were the dried up droppings of sloth bear. The sloth bear of Umbarzara must be out in open, sniffing for food. I cautioned myself, thinking of averting all sorts of eventuality. I I ran down the hillock that I had climbed up at a frantic speed. The west was to my right side. Now the evening breeze flew through my wet, cold hair. My stomach was aching. I kept walking in hope. After around 50 steps, I found a bright red soil trail. I found my silver lining on this trail. There were marks of bicycle wheel on this trail. That was a big consolation for me. There must be a village nearby. I reassured myself. More questions resurfaced. How far is the village and where, in which direction? I climbed one more hillock and tried to locate signs of human civilization. My legs were trembling. As I surged, I reached the top of the hill. I jumped with joy. I heard the sounds of people talking in the loudspeaker. In a jiffy, I ran down the hill towards the sound with a full vigor. I stumbled and fell down, saw droppings of bluebells nearby, struggled, stood up, and decided which direction to move on. The signs of the civilization were visible. The tiny sleepy village of Pitazari was visible through the green woods. The lantern of Rajiram Bhalavi's farm, the loudspeaker installed for Keshav Bhalavi's marriage, all were in clear sight. Turn left to the spot village lay like lake and familiar hillock. Suyuhudaki. The dog barked to welcome me to the village. The first thing I did was to take a bath. The shaking of limbs had lessened a bit. The stomach ache started again, ate to the full, and then slumped onto the cot. Laying awake, looking at the star studded sky, I spoke to myself, there still exists a jungle where we can get lost. Isn't this our good luck? कंप्लीट द गिवन वेब. A1 एक्टिविटी है साइंस ऑफ द विसिनिटी ऑफ द विलेज. इसका आंसर है द लैंटर्न ऑफ अ फार्म, ड्रॉपिंग ऑफ ब्लू बुल्स, मार्क्स ऑफ अ बाइसिकल व्हील, द साउंड्स ऑफ पीपल टॉकिंग इन अ लाउड स्पीकर. A2 एक्टिविटी है राइट 4 sentences that showed the writer was frightened. First, the evening breeze flew through my wet curled hair. Second, my stomach was itching. Third, my legs were trembling. Fourth, the shaking of limbs had lessened a bit. A3, the writer had lost his way in the jungle and was desperate to find a village and civilization. Then he found a bright red soil trail with the marks of a bicycle wheel on it. These marks showed that there was a village nearby. To the frightened and desperate writer, this was like a silver lining. At the end of a tiring day, I picked up a nice book or watch a good film on TV or Netflix. This relaxes me completely. If I go to sleep without his preparation, I am too tired and do not get good sleep. But if I spend half an hour or so unwinding, I really feel relaxed and sleepy. ये पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स का क्वेश्चन है कि आप अपने आप को रिलैक्स कैसे करेंगे. हाउ डू यू रिलैक्स यूर सेल्फ आफ्टर अ टायरिंग डे. A5 एक्टिविटी है लैंग्वेज स्टडी, डू एज डायरेक्टेड. ब्राइट रेड सॉइल ट्रेल वॉज फाउंड बाय मी. ये इनडायरेक्ट है, इनडायरेक्ट किया गया है डायरेक्ट से. सेकेंड है दिस वॉज द ओनली वे आई हैड टू क्लाइम द हिल लॉक बिफोर मी. टाइम एंड अगेन A6 एक्टिविटी है. ये A6 एक्टिविटी में वोकेबलरी एंड फोकस है, फ्रेजेस का यूज़ करना है. ऑल दर एजुकेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स वेर सॉर्टेड आउट बिकॉज ऑफ द फंड्स गिवन बाय एन NGO. सेकेंड, राज रैन एट अ डैश टू कैच द ट्रेन. फर्स्ट का आंसर है ऑल दर एजुकेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स वेर सॉर्टेड आउट इन अ जिफी बिकॉज ऑफ फंड्स गिवन बाय एन NGO. सेकेंड है राज रैन एट अ फ्रैंटिक स्पीड टू कैच द ट्रेन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का B है लैंग्वेज स्टडी 4 मार्क्स के लिए. डू एज डायरेक्टेड, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. रेवेन्यू वॉज ऑप्टेन थ्रू एडवर्टाइजिंग. एड अ क्वेश्चन टैग. हाउ इम्पॉसिबल इट इज, रिराइट एज एन असर्टिव सेंटेंस. I also solicit contributions from children. Rewrite using the infinitive of the underlined word. B2. Spot the error in the given sentence. We should not use plastic bags as they are non-biodegradable. B1 का आंसर है फर्स्ट है revenue was obtained through advertising, wasn't it? Second, it is really impossible. Third है I also ask children to contribute. B2 है we should not use plastic bags as they are non-biodegradable. Question number 2 का A है read the extract and complete the activities. Oil is one of the world's major sources of energy. We depend on it as a fuel for heating, transport and generation of power. For centuries, animal and vegetable oils have been used for cooking and as a source of artificial light. It is mineral oil which meets most of the world's needs today. Crude mineral oil comes out of the earth as a thick brown or black liquid with a strong smell. It is a complex mixture of many different substances, each with its own individual qualities. Most of them are a combination of hydrogen and carbon in varying proportions. Such hydrocarbons are also found in other forms such as bitumen, asphalt, and natural gas. Mineral oil originates from the carcasses of tiny animals and from plants that live in the sea. Over millions of years, these dead creatures form large deposits under the seabed, and ocean currents cover them with a blanket of sand and silt. As this material hardens, it becomes sedimentary rock and effectively shuts out the oxygen, so preventing the complete decomposition of the marine deposits underneath. The layers of the sedimentary rock become thicker and heavier. Their pressure produces heat, which transforms the tiny carcasses into crude oil in a process that is still going on today. The Earth's crust is split into a few huge continental plates which move continuously, rather like rafts on a sluggish tide. Geologists call this movement as continental drift. Choose two sentences that describe the theme of the extract. इसका आंसर है A2 है complete the following. Crude mineral oil comes out of the earth as dash. Second, crude mineral oil originates from dash. A3 describe the formation of the continental drift. 2 marks के लिए है. A4 according to you how can we stop the excess use of energy. A5 do as directed. Oil is one of the world's major sources of energy. Write it as a negative sentence without changing its meaning. Second है as this material hardens it becomes sedimentary rock. Make it a compound sentence. A6 है give the antonyms of artificial, lighter. Second है give the synonyms of slow and dead bodies. A1 का आंसर है sentence that describe the theme of the extract. The uses of different types of oil. Second, the formation of crude mineral oil. A2 है crude mineral oil comes out of earth as a thick brown or black liquid with a strong smell. Second है crude mineral oil originates from the carcasses of tiny animals and from plants that live in the sea. A3 है the earth's crust is split into a few huge continental plates. These move continuously like rafts on a sluggish tide. This movement is called continental drift. A4 we can stop the excess use of energy by using public transport instead of private vehicles, and by carpooling. We should also grow more trees so that there is lesser consumption of energy for air conditioning. We should cut down on the excessive use of machines. A5 का आंसर है oil is not one of the world's minor sources of energy. Second है this material hardens and becomes sedimentary rock. A6 का आंसर है artificial, natural, lighter, heavier, slow, sluggish, dead bodies, carcasses. Question number 2 का आंसर है summary writing. Prepare a summary of the extract given in question number 2 का A. Mineral oil, its formation and uses. Human beings are heavily dependent on oil, a major source of energy for heating, transport and generation of power. Animal and vegetable oils are used for cooking and as a source of artificial light, which mineral oil is used for a variety of other purposes. Mineral oil originates from the carcasses of tiny animals and plants that live in the sea. Over a period of time, the ocean currents cover them with sand and silt. As this matter hardens, it turns into sedimentary rock, shutting out oxygen and preventing the complete decomposition of the marine deposits underneath. Transforming it into crude oil, the Earth's crust is split into a few huge continental plates. These move continuously like rafts on a sluggish tide. This movement is called continental drift. Question number 2, mind mapping. Complete the mind mapping frame given below using own ideas. Fight against pandemic, medical team, precaution, enforcement personnel. Fight against pandemic, medical team, doctors, nurses, enforcement personnel, policemen, government officials, precautions, working, mask, social distancing. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।